There's nothing better than Turkish pasta, especially when you need a quick and comforting meal. To make the meat sauce, sauté some onions in olive oil. Add salt, pepper, and cayenne. Add your tomato paste, sauté. Add the meat, sauté. Mix it all together. Cook till well done. Add salt to some boiling water. Cook your pasta al dente. To make your butter sauce, melt some butter in a pan, add paprika, add cayenne, cook till bubbled, about 20 seconds or so. Next, mix the meat sauce with the pasta. To make the yogurt sauce, add some minced garlic, salt, olive oil, and lemon juice. Mix well.